Some places in the world carry a kind of natural uniqueness, not loud, not demanding, just quietly beautiful in the way they exist. Now hiking through this loop feels like stepping into one of those places. This valley is unlike anything else I've experienced. Towering formations rise from the desert floor like ancient temples, as if they were carved with intention rather than shaped by time. You can't help but slow down here, because every moment invites a pause, a moment of awe. Stepping away from the city reminds me how much noise we carry without realizing it. Out here, the mind softens. There's a peace you don't find in crowded streets or constant motion. Only the sound of wind, footsteps, and your own breath bring you back to the present moment.